Hello guys, welcome back. Tap on it and select the search option. Tap on the search bar and enter your friend's name. Here you can follow anyone and also chat. Some people turn off the chat option, so you may not be able to chat with everyone. Click follow on the person you want. At the bottom you'll find the follow button. And here you can see your follow list. If they haven't accepted your request yet, you'll see 0 followers. Once they accept, they'll appear on your follow list. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.